Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have here today for a detail inspection 2005 Toyota Tacoma, and look how big this one is. That's a really impressive truck. This one is really big one. So I started, as you know, as usually, with the cabin air filter. Alright. I will think the people are paying attention to these things, but the opposite, it's true. It's so easy to get that glove box out, right? Look, this is the inside, right? When I remove the door, you still see hanging remainings of the mice nest which was there. It's just unbelievable. How come people will not pay attention to this? The filter is absolutely plugged, right? There's no even question about that. That's done, and look at this amount. So I wonder, and I will go through the car, where these mice collected this material, right, to have a nest, building the home, who knows how long time ago, because this is a truck which was used in the hills. You see that dust, right? That gives you clearly idea. It was in dusty roads, it was driven on dusty roads, so it was in the nature. And I will be looking through the car if these mice brought it from elsewhere, or it's maybe from Engine Bay area. And what I meant with that, there could be, for example, pad on the hood, right? But there's none. Many times they start eating this. There's like an insulation, right? This material, they will start eating it and bringing it down in the cabin. But I don't see actually, fortunately, anything damaged around here. So I will make assumption it's either from the inside of the car, which I don't think so, but I will think they brought it from elsewhere. So please, if you own one of these Toyotas, do yourself a favor and time to time check your cabin air filter, because this was absolutely plugged and the person using the ventilation system was basically breathing through this. I will go ahead and wash my hands from that, right, touching it. You please stay tuned, be subscribed, because I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.